Hi everyone, this is Donna from mademoisellevanilla.com and I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful sugar magnolias. Roll a small ball of gum paste into a narrow cone and insert a 26 gauge wire. Use a small sharp scissors to cut tiny snips around the cone. Leave it to dry. You can roll this gum paste to desired thinness. I cut my own petal to this shape. So basically something like this, it doesn't have to be perfect. Insert a 24 gauge wire. Press the petal into the vayner. Thin out the edges using a ball tool. Slightly curl the outer edges inwards. Leave to dry on an apple tray. Now I'm going to cut the second layer of petals that are slightly smaller than the first set, and I'll be using this yellow template to cut my next 5 petals. Press the petal onto the vayner. Using a ball tool, thin and curl out the edges. Dry on the apple tray with the rest of the petals. Dusting time! Make sure petals are completely dry before dusting. Now for the first 3 petals, I use light pink petal dust. This one is from Pristine Powders and it's called Rose Water, but generally you can use any brand. I usually add white to it or even cornstarch to tone down the color. Mix a small amount of pink petal dust and cornstarch and dust the back of the petal in long strokes. Don't forget to dust the curled edges. Same goes with the last 5 petals. As a highlighter, I'm going to use pink with a touch of aubergine just to darken this color. As a replacement for aubergine, if you don't have any, you can use plum or burgundy or any warm red with dark undertone. So here I have pink and I'm going to add a tiny bit of aubergine, just a touch. Mix it together. This will be the highlighter. So I like to add this darker color to the fold and the torn edges of the petal. That little detail will add drama, so the sugar flowers will look more realistic. Okay guys, so that concludes the first part of this video. I would love to condense this in one shot, but literally there's no more space on my phone, and also I have 0 editing skills, so please bear with me. For the next part, I can guarantee that that is something to look forward to.